Welcome back to High on Life channel. So now today we learn how to make a strawberry peached iced tea. I love iced tea because I love non-alcoholic mocktail drinks, and I always wondered whether iced tea could only be made like everyone wondered that is there a syrup for iced tea? But if you know the origins of iced tea, you have to actually make a hot tea, a hot normal tea, and then put ice in it, make it cold, and then put any syrups as per your liking and make a iced tea. So today we have a Chinese China white tea. I just had this picked up from one of my trips, so I saw it. And you don't need a black tea, you need a white tea for an iced tea. Don't use a black tea because the taste wouldn't be very well. So use a white tea, and then you can use any fruit punch or fruity syrup. I'm using a Monin's strawberry syrup, and then you can use any kind of soda or clear water or sparkling water. I'm using a peach flavor soda so that I can mix two flavors in the iced tea, like strawberry peach iced tea. Let's see how it goes. So now we need some hot water to prepare the actual tea. So I'll just warm some water or boil some water. And also prepare some ice in parallel. Now we'll take the water we have boiled and we have to brew the tea. So we'll use the China white tea. We let the tea be brewed. We will use this funky glass to serve up our mocktail. So now we have got this tea which we had brewed. You can throw the tea bag in somewhere, and now we will take around 75 ml of rose syrup. You can take it according to your, and put a make it ice cold. Don't mix too much of strawberry syrup because the peach flavor has to add to it.